Hello friends, good day to you all wherever you might be right now across the world. I welcome you to this channel today. This is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. I'm very happy to have you back here. Alright, so in today's video what I have to share with you is Solmax / Whyi latest update. Solmax / Whyi latest update. As we all know that Whyi and Solmax, they are the same company. They are the same company whereby they have the same programs, and it's just like a change of name, okay, but the same address, sorry, the same site is still maintaining their operation. The sites, they are still maintaining their operation, so you can log in, you can use your login details on Solmax and as well on Whyi. You surely get into your account on the two websites. All right, so I'm here to share with you the latest updates on Solmax. As we all that have invested in it for more than a year, we have been anticipating for the time whereby we'll be able to withdraw our earnings or to do the needful according to our financial obligations. All right, and now our earnings, how to withdraw our earnings is what I'm going to share with you, and the latest information from one of the CEO, from one of the top leaders in Solmax group is what I'm going to share with you today. And also in the same vein, I'll be showing you some other ways whereby you can generate wealth online. Other wealth creation method will be disclosed in this video. So what you just need to do is to stay tuned and watch this video to the very end, so that you can have the full grasp of the information that I am about to share with you guys. Alright, and before I go further, I want you to know that this video is brought to you courtesy of LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. In LASOJENIC BIZZTALK, I review online investment platform, and I share with you my few ways whereby I personally have been making money online for myself. So, and you can also do your due diligence research on any of the shared information before you take your final decision. All right, so, and if you are contemplating to join any of the online investment platform that is shared with you by your friends, you can just send the link to me so that I can do the review on your behalf, and I will give you my sincere recommendation, so that this will serve as a basis for you to decide on what to do. All right, so if you are new on this channel, it is very important that you subscribe, or if you are yet to do that, kindly subscribe now and click on the notification bell, so that you'll be continually aware or notified whenever I upload new video, whenever I have new financial educational content to share with you guys. Alright, feel free to browse through the channel. There are several videos that have been done in the past on how to make money online. Do your own personal research and take your decision and start making money online. Alright, once again, what I'm about to share with you today is Solmax / Whyi latest updates. See how to withdraw your earnings and other wealth creation method disclosed is what I have to share with you guys in today's video. So quickly, I have drafted a document here on Solmax. So because I belong to one of the major WhatsApp group of Solmax in Africa, so, and this is the latest information that we got from one of our leaders here. So it is a very lengthy document, but I'm just going to read some of the main points there. So this is a meeting held with one of the sales VP, as in Mesa, that is on the 10th of February 2022. So you can read, I-100 CFO Abdul is working tirelessly to get this resolved as a matter of urgency. He got an additional legal team to speed up this Philippines issue, anticipating 100 I-100 issue to be finalized this month or in mid-March, as initially advised. Communicated once ready, then broker will be in touch with individuals to conclude info. Because in last year around September, those that chose the listing option for Ignita 100 for the sale of their I-100 shares, we have much information. That is, we have this number one that I read will be more relevant to them, because some has started from Ignita 100, then to Ignita 200, and now we have Whyi. Now, for those that chose the listing option of the Ignita 100, they will be waiting and waiting and waiting for this. And one of the reasons why they keep waiting is the issues that Solmax had with the Philippines. So, and this is what they have been trying to do to make sure that everything gets resolved and the broker will get launched and we'll be able to sell our share at our own convenient price or depending on the market price. So we have been waiting for this for more than a year now, but I just believe that Solmax, they are here to stay. It can take time, but let's just have our hope in them that we surely be happy when everything is set. Another thing here is that number two is with regards to the company's name. It was necessary as there were too many bad reviews online with regards to Solmax, and as a result of that, there was an impact on the company doing business with some of the banks, e.g., rejecting purchases via bank because of the long waiting period from people. Many people, uh, they have lost their patience and they are not able to endure anymore. So instead of that, they keep blackmailing Somax, and this will never help the company. We don't need to blacklist it to blackmail them, because when we are blackmailing them, we are adding more. We are just adding more time, and it will surely affect us as well. It will surely affect us because our money is there already. We don't need to blackmail them since they never tell us that they are gone finally. Since we are still having communication with them, then there's no need to blackmail them. The more we do that, the more we affect them, and the more we affect the possibility of getting our money back from this company. So this has given them a very tough time in dealing with other financial institutions. So number three says all information has been moved to from old to new back office. Yes, that is true. My first is the business closed for 3 months. Yes, since December, I think since November 2021 till February 2022, everything has been altered for a for some reasons. So let's just have it in mind that Somax is here to stay. Let's keep our hope alive. Then 5 says e-wallet balance as business is kicking off. They are following a percentage for package purchases for now until cash flow is stable. Again, 6. He reiterated on the high 100 issue as it is the most important issue, saying that CFO Mr. Abdul is focusing on high 100, and he advised that by end February mid-March all will be resolved. My 7 penny USD withdrawal will be settled in the next 2 weeks. So for those that have placed their withdrawal since December or since November, let's just have it in mind that we will all get paid. We will all get paid in the next 2 weeks. Just keep on checking your SMG wallets. Keep on checking your SMG wallet. We will get paid. And keep on checking your USD wallet as well. Number 12. Number 12 says, number 8 says, if KYC is not done, not to worry, as there will be an opportunity given to conclude everything. Yes. Number 9 says 1 or 2 days to resolve migration of info. 10 says loyalty withdrawals are being dealt with. 11 says Asim apologized for not communicating weekly as promised on December 22nd, but assured weekly engagement with us going forward. So these are the meeting reports. 12 says again give us assurance that the company has absolutely no intention of running away. That was never in their plans and it still isn't. So we shouldn't have all the thoughts that they are going to run away with our funds. Let's just keep our hope alive that everything will be well. Number 13 says assured us that though the CFO is not engaging with teams as he used to be, but he's still working very hard on ensuring that the business continues. So they are working tirelessly so that everything will be in place so that everyone will be happy. 14, with regards to changing the password on Whyi back office, a video will be released this week. 15, Asim advised that another meeting will be held this week. 16, assure that we are now back to business and they will certainly still deliver as promised. 17 says he once again apologized for the delays, which is a very good attribute of a good leader. So I must say it was most certainly a very positive meeting that left a lot of people very hopeful and optimistic about the future of the company. So he called me after the meeting to apologize for the 100 limit for attendees and said he was not aware that was the capacity for the Zoom account. So right now we have that. We know that there is hope. There will be light at the end of every tunnel. We shouldn't give up. We shouldn't lost hope. We shouldn't lose our concentration on Solmax, and we shouldn't be blackmailing them on social media or on any other platform saying that they are fake, saying that they are scam. Because the more we do that, the more it affects us. All right. So now let me show you my I200 dashboard. Let me show you my I200 dashboard to tell you that truly you can now withdraw. So that to show that we can now withdraw from our I200. I believe that we are all familiar with this background for those that invested in I200. So this, you go to transaction as usual. All right, so let me log in again. 6xx93, sorry, 6xx93. All right, so for you to withdraw your earnings in Solmax I200, then you come here to your dashboard. From dashboard, you click on transactions. From transaction, you select the loyalty balance. From loyalty balance, you click on withdraw request, and you select the withdraw to crypto wallet because that is the only option available for your withdrawal now, and you choose yes smg.to. But before now, you must have input your smg.to wallet address in your dashboard. You must have input it so that it can read through. So you can see that the alphanumeric code for my wallet address has come up because I have already installed it. I have already input it there. So, and I want to show you here that you can now, the weekly withdrawal limit is now $500. This is another new development. You know, it was formerly $50, but now it has been increased to $500 weekly. So that is the weekly withdrawal limit. So then I will now click on the amount I want to input. I want to withdraw. Let's say I want to withdraw 50 out of my 60, then processing fee is always $1, and I still have $10 in my balance. So I'm not ready to withdraw now. So just to show you that yes, you can withdraw, but it can take like a week before it appears, before it drops into your SMG wallet. So just keep on checking your SMG wallet and keep on checking your dashboard. When it is successful here, when it is completed here, then it will surely reflect in your SMG wallet. All right, so it shows that truly we can now withdraw our earnings in Ignita 200 dashboard. All right, now, so I would also like to share with you that there are other ways whereby you can make money online. So let me take you to the channel to show you some videos to watch so that you can take your time to check it well and to start to decide on time and to start making money with it, pending the time that Solmax will be paying everybody, pending the time that everything in Solmax will be resolved. So the first one that I would like you to know, to be aware of, is IPC. So I've done several videos on IPC. Just take your time to watch any one of them. Here, IPC, my withdrawal proof, 30%. Okay, this one is not available again. This is a promo, 30% off IPC trading bots. How I am making $15 every day. Just take your time to watch this video. Expert Moment, Intelligence Prime Capital, all these, they are videos on IPC, on Intelligence Prime Capital, and it shows that they are really trading. Is a broker, is a regulated broker, and it's imbibe artificial intelligence into financial technology so that they can trade forex on behalf of you and I, and to make the required the required ROI, that is return on investment, on daily or on monthly basis. You can just take your time to watch any of the videos on IPC, and if you have any question on it, you can contact me through this means. And also, you can contact me through this email address here. This is my WhatsApp number. You can also comment on it. Then don't hesitate to join our Telegram channel, as I will be making frequent announcements on how you can make money online as well. And also, before I end this video, I want you to know that financial education is all what LASOJENIC BIZZTALK is about. So just take your time to watch any of the videos, ask questions about it in the comment box, in the comment section of this video, and also don't forget to check the description box of this channel, because more information about each of these videos will surely be added there. Okay, for registration link in Solmax, for registration link in IPC, just check the description box. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to contact me. This is where I'm going to stop for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. And before I go, I would like to tell you that it is very, very important to subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell, set it to all notifications so that you'll be continually aware of the next update. All right. And if you found that this video has surely blessed you, if truly you are it has added value to you, if truly it is meaningful to you, useful and helpful, then don't hesitate to like this video and share with your friends and family. All right, till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. Bye for now. I love you all.